Hello everyone, I am Matul Morbale and today date is 3 January 2022 and now we have discussed about the wrapper classes in Java. We know the Java is a object oriented programming language. In Java there are 8 types of primitive data types, that is such as byte, short, int, long, float, double, char and boolean. These are 8 primitive data types. It stores only value. That is, we we think deeply in the Java programming language. We know that we can conclude that Java is not purely object oriented programming language, because in object oriented programming language there are everything is objects, but Java provides 8 types of primitive data types. It stores only value. It does not contain any address reference or any object of some scenarios. So Java is not purely object oriented programming language. To release this drawback, Java provide one more concept, that is wrapper class. Wrapper class is used to the conversion of primitive data types into object and object into primitive data types. This scenario is known as wrapper classes. Up to until Java 1.4 version, when the place of primitive when we use the primitive data type in the place of object, we have to go on the compile time error. But Java provides after 1.5 versions the concept of wrapper class. In concept of wrapper class, when we use the primitive data types at the place of object, then automatically it converts into object. This scenario is known as auto boxing. That is, and same reverse scenario, when the object is conversion into primitive data type, then it is known as unboxing. Java wrapper class. In Java there are 8 types of wrapper class for 8 primitive data types. Now we discuss one by one. The primitive data type byte and the wrapper class, its particular wrapper class is byte. The primitive data type is short, its particular wrapper class is short. The primitive data type is int, the particular wrapper class is integer. The primitive data type is long, then the particular wrapper class is long, and the primitive data type is char, then the particular its particular wrapper class is characters. The primitive data type is boolean, then its particular wrapper class is boolean. The class name of wrapper class is start with uppercase of the name. Now we discuss the use of wrapper class in Java. We know the Java is an object-oriented programming language. In some concepts in Java, there use only 100% object, such as a serializable, collection, multi-threading. In such scenarios, we can use only objects. In such cases, we can use the wrapper class in Java. So now we discuss the one by one use of wrapper class. The first use is change the value in methods. Java provides the call by value, and we assign the primitive value in the methods, then it cannot change. But we convert the primitive type into objects, then we can change the value of it. It is the use of wrapper class. In multi-threading, the synchronization in synchronization concept, there are totally use the objects. In such scenario, we can take the help of wrapper class in Java. In collection, the Java collection framework provides so many classes such as linked hashet, uh, queue, dequeue. In such scenarios, there use the 100% use of object. Then we can to uh, to simplicity this problem, we can use the wrapper class in Java. Now we discuss the next concept of wrapper class. Java provides one more concept, that is custom wrapper class. In custom wrapper class, we can create our own uh, wrapper class. This scenario is known as custom wrapper class. So that is all about the wrapper class in Java. Thank you for this video.